Hello, good morning, viewers. A warm welcome to the new normal. I hope you all are fine. On behalf of Jhargram Raj College Physics Alumni Association, I welcome you all to this live event. The purpose of this event is to announce the national level drawing competition result. And we are very happy to let you know that in our today's panel, we have some distinguished persons like the principal of Jhargram Raj College, Dr. Devnaran Roy, physics HOD, Piyush Kanti Ghosh, and few of our committee members. Before we start the live program to announce our result, I would like to introduce some of our committee members to you. After that, we will start our program. First, let me introduce our senior person, Mr. Deepak Ranjan Mahato. Deepak, please say hello to our viewers. Please unmute your
Hello,
mic and say hello to our viewers.
hello, Deepak. I am Deepak Ranjan Mahato, one of the executive committee member, and performing the duty of cashier. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Deepak. Now, Pradipda, please say hello to our viewers. Pradipda, please say hello to our viewers. Can you hear us, Pradipda? I think we have some audio problem with Pradipda. Uh, Hello,
Hello,
Pratap, are you there? Can you please introduce yourself?
I am Pratim Maiti, Joint Secretary of Jharkhand Raj College Physics Alumni Association.
Okay, thank you, Pratap. Can you please introduce yourself? Can you hear Pratap? Well, I think there is some connection issue. So, can you introduce Shontu yourself? Shontu, can you introduce yourself? Can you please unmute?
Hello, I am Amal Kumar Bhumi, President of Jharkhand Raj College Physics Alumni Association. Hello, myself. My name is Sumit Mondal. I am also the executive member of Jharkhand Raj College Physics Alumni Association. Thank you all.
Well, that's fine. So I think we have some audio issue with some of our committee members. So I think it's best way to start our program right now. Uh, First, I want to request our respected principal, Dr. Devnaran Roy, to introduce yourself and to express your views about this whole competition. Dr. Roy, please. You have to unmute your mic. Please unmute your mic.
Okay, namaskar. I introduce myself. I am Dimnan Roy, officer in charge, Jharkhand Raj College. I have worked in this college since 1999, and I take over the charge of officer in charge in the year 2017. From my taking charge at that time, I observed that Jharkhand Raj College Physics Alumni Association uh, is one of the prestigious organization of our institution. They are working in different fields. They have organized different seminars, and now in this pandemic COVID situation, they extend their all sorts of cooperation in respect to help the poor peoples of different villages, and they are also working for our society in such crisis. And before going to this program, first of all, I give a brief description about my college. Jhargram Raj College is situated at the town of Jhargram, is one of the leading college, government college, and this district was newly created just 3 years ago. This area is a place of natural beauty. The college is set in a campus of 57 acres of land, and it is surrounded by different types of uh, wild vegetation of mohua, sal, piasal, etc. And it has registered a spectacular growth over the years since its inception. Founded on the 1st July in 1949 as Jhargram Agricultural College, Jhargram Raj College grew into a hallowed center of higher learning, offering to the undergraduate students a whole array of subjects from three disciplines of arts, commerce, and science. Initially affiliated to the University of Calcutta, the college came under affiliation of Vidyasagar University in the year 1985. The diversity of scientific opportunities that now exist at Jhargram Raj College has grown out of a long and distinguished tradition of physics teaching and research. Jhargram Raj College graduates, along with many other successful persons who spent their formative years here, have gone on to make extraordinary contributions to science, and researchers, teachers, and intellectual leaders all over the country, as well as on international platforms. The formation of the Jhargram Raj College Physics Alumni Association was an incidence of the explosion of singularity like Big Bang due to the immense impetus of education, reform, and enlightenment for the society of remote Aranya Sundari Jhargram in the year 2015 on 18th December. And on that special day, one of our very beloved non-teaching staff, Mr. Shital Narayan Singho, was retired on that day. The aims of the association shall be to enhancement of educational, social, and cultural development through lectures, symposia, conventions, workshops, literature, cultural programs, different kinds of community services, and awareness camp. Besides that, our alumni association also organize different types of exchange program in the Department of Physics of Jhargram Raj College. On the occasion of World Environment Day on 5th June 2020, Jhargram Raj College Physics Alumni Association organized a national level drawing competition to spread a positive vibe among people. A massive response was received from all over the country, not only in our country but also throughout the world. We are thankful to all the participants for submitting their drawings and make it a grand success. Today we are going to publish the final result for the first national drawing competition organized by our association. I request the convener of the drawing competition committee to take over the next session for the announcement of the result. Our very best wishes to all of you and also our Jhargram Raj College Physics Alumni Association. Thank you to all. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Roy, for your nice speech. Now I would like to invite Dr. Piyush Kanti Ghosh, HOD Physics, Jhargram Raj College, to express your views. Please unmute your mic, sir.
Good afternoon. I am Dr. Piyush Kanti Ghosh. I am working in Jhargram Raj College for last 9 years, about 9 years, and working as HOD for last 4 years. Jhargram Raj College Physics Alumni Association has organized a drawing competition on 5th June on the occasion of World Environment Day. This competition was open. Today, the result of this competition is being announced. I express the best wishes to all the participants. Jhargram Raj College Physics Alumni Association is engaged in various social as well as academic activities throughout the year. Recently, during lockdown period, they has helped poor people in remote villages of Jhargram district, giving relief in the terms of matters and money. I thanks to the committee members and organizer of this association for taking initiative for this type of online competition. And I wish success to all the events organized by this association. Thank you. Thank you all.
Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. My mic was actually mute. Thank you, Dr. Pijus, for your nice talk. Now I want to hand over the mic to the convener of this competition, Dr. Sandipan Mallik. He will explain how our judges or the judges panel select the winners, and he will explain everything in details. So, Dr. Sandipan Mallik.
Good afternoon to all of you. I'm Dr. Sandipan Mallik. I'm the convener of this drawing competition. So let me allow just a minute to share some slides. So, respected principal of Jhargram Raj College, respected HOD of Physics, respected secretary and president of Jhargram Raj College Physics Alumni Association, to all the executive, advisory, and other members of Jhargram Raj College Physics Alumni Association, and all the participants of the national level drawing competition organized by Jhargram Raj College Physics Association on the occasion of World Environment Day. A very good evening to all of you. So, as a convener of the drawing competition committee, I'm going to announce the name of the winners of the competition. Before that, I wish to say a few words to you which are related to the judgment level. So, a total number of 306 paintings were submitted in this competition. There were 3 categories. Category 1 was up to 7 years. Category 2 is for 8 to 15 years. And category 3 is for 16 to 25 years. So, in category 1, total number of 48 submissions were there. In category 2, 184 submissions were there. In category 3, total 74 number of submissions were there. So I'm really sorry to say that few of images were disqualified. 6 number of disqualified for category 1 and 17 and 3 are disqualified for category 2 and 3, and probably the reason is, due to multiple number of submissions, because for our case, it was mentioned in the terms and conditions that one candidate can submit only one an entry, but so many of you have submitted more than one entry. So that is the first big reason. And second one is not uploading the proper image. You know, some of you have uploaded image in this way, which is too much tilted. So there was some problem with the taking of the picture. So in that case, we did not have any other choice. We have to rejected all these entries. Yes. So just I want to tell you that almost from all the different parts of the country, so people have joined in this competition like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, Odisha, Assam, Kerala, and we are really thankful to all of the participants. And finally, we have judgment. We have a judgment panel. I mean, it's just a minute. Give me a moment. We have a judgment panel. One was from national and two judges were from international. So we send all the entries to the judges, and each and every judges send 6 of their best images to us. And after that, as we have to choose the first 3 positions, we go on for a post-judgment verification where we confirm the date of birth and size of the original drawing, because it was mentioned that at least A4 size must be you have to maintain, and video of the drawing or any other such kind of proof. And I just want to say that unfortunately one image of category 1 was disqualified after post-judgment verification, and 2 paintings from category 3 was disqualified due to specially the age issue. They were unable to produce the proper document or certificates, and or their ages crosses the category limit. So for that reasons, we just 3 images were rejected in this process. So now, without taking it in delay, I just want to announce the first, second, third prize of category 1. So category 1 judgment was done by Mr. Anupam Pathak, who was the graphic art designer of Samyak, Bangalore, and he is especially well known for his fire painting. So he generally uses fire flame to draw such beautiful kind of paintings. You can visit his YouTube channel or Facebook or Instagram. You just you can see the videos after completion of this event. It will be available in it will be available in YouTube, and you can see the link. So first, starting with category 1, it's the third position of category 1. It is going to Sunaigiri. It's Holdia, Purbo Mendipur, West Bengal. A very congratulations to Sunay. I think you are just watching our event, online event. So we are really thankful to you for submission of your such a beautiful images. In category 2, it's second position of category 2. So I just want to repeat once again. Third position of category 1. Third position is for Sunaigiri. Category 1, second position is Sarthak Das from Jalpaiguri, West Bengal. Many congratulations to Sarthak. I want to repeat again. Category 1, second position is Sarthak Das. Many congratulations to Sarthak from our association. It's category 1, first position. Category 1, first position. It's Divya Darsini from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Category 1, first position is Divya Darsini, Cholai Medu, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. And many congratulations to Divya Darsini. Just you have secured the very first position of category 1. Next one is for category 2. We had international judge for this category, Miss Parisa Diva. She was a professional artist from Orange City, California, and beautiful watercolor painting artist she is. So she also gives basically some online courses are there. If anyone is interested, you can go to the link and see the courses structures. So category 2, third prize, third position of category 2. It's going to Vinita Kaur Nukandi, Jhargram, West Bengal. A very beautiful watercolor painting she has drawn. It's Binita Kar, Nukandi, Jhargram, West Bengal. And many congratulations to Binita. I think you are here, you are attending our program. So it's second position of category 2. Second position of category 2. It's going to Sajal Jain from Adarsh Nagar, Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Sajal Jain from Adarsh Nagar, Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Many congratulations to Sajal. You have done a wonderful watercolor painting. It's pastel painting, sorry. Category 2, its first position of category 2 is going to the first position of category 2 is going to Preeti Behra, Raghunathpur, Jhargram, West Bengal. First position category 2, it's going to Preeti Behra, Raghunathpur, Jhargram, West Bengal. Many congratulations to Preeti. I hope you are attending our program. So next I will come to the category 1.
I think we lost the connection with Sundipan. Let's wait for a few seconds. He will join again. And I'm sorry to the viewers for this connection issue. Sundipan, are you back? Sundipan? Sundipan, can you hear us? Okay, I think he is trying to reconnect again. What we can say on this situation, this is the really new normal, and we all have to be with this kind of situation because we cannot arrange a physical program. So ultimately we have to deal with this kind of things. There will be connection issues not only for our program, for many prestigious universities they also have the same issues, and everybody need to go through this same situation. And I think our viewers are also very smart and intelligent. They will understand our views and they will understand the problem of this new normal situation. So let's wait just a couple of minutes and let's wait for Sandipan. I think he's trying to connect. I already WhatsApp him and he says he's trying to connect. Yes, Sandipan is just came back. Sandipan, can you hear us? Sandipan, unmute your mic.
I'm sorry, some connection problem was there. I'm sorry.
Yeah, now you are on. Please go on.
So shall I start category 3?
Yes, please.
Yeah. I'm sorry for the coming, net issue. Just I want to continue. It's category 2. First position is for Sriti Behra, and now for category 3, it is also an international judgment we had. That is Kiko Tanabe. She is from professional artist of San Diego, California, USA, and she is also a beautiful watercolor painter. You can see her website. It's ketanapeffineart.com, and you can join her online classes also. So for category 3, the third position of category 3, it's Subhadeep C from Bagnan, Howrah, West Bengal. Third position, it's Subhadeep C, I'm sorry, from Bagnan, Howrah, West Bengal. So a beautiful watercolor painting he has drawn, and we are many congratulations to him from our alumni association. So it's category 3, third position. It's from Subhadeep Singh. So it's category 3, second position. Category 3, second position is going to Rishabh Datta, is Bachurutova, Jhargram, West Bengal. Category 3, second position is going to Rishabh Datta, Bachurutova, Jhargram. A beautiful mahogany art he has drawn with watercolor. It's excellent painting drawn by him. And the last position, it's category 3. It's the first position of category 3 is going to Ajay Mahato, Dhubari, Assam. The first position is going to Ajay Mahato, Dhubari, Assam. He has drawn a beautiful watercolor painting. It's all about our 9 positions. And I just wish to say you that all the participation certificates will be distributed soon. And winning certificates, that means first, second, third prizes certificates will be also distributed soon, most probably within 7 days. And one important thing I just want to share, the prizes will be distributed during the annual function of JRCPA, which is likely to be held on the month of December. We obviously will conduct with you, and we will distribute the prizes in that particular event. And at last, I just want to say that you just all keep supporting us by visit our website www.grcpa.org. So many different kind of online events are now we are going to organize. We have your mail IDs. Obviously, we will try to communicate with you. Just we need your support. You just try to join those competitions as much as possible, and also one kind request to you to subscribe to our YouTube channel for a regular update. So thank you all of you. So I'm just handling this session. I'm shifting this session to our anchor, Dr. Meenal Kanti.
Well, thank you so much, Sandipan, for nice explanation about the whole these things. Now we already reached to the end of our event. So I would like to invite the president of JRCPA, Mr. Shamal Kumar Bhoi, to express his views and his closing remarks. Shamalda, please. Shamalda, please unmute your mic. Yeah, I think it's unmuted. You can say now.
Okay.
Yeah, we can hear you. Please go on.
Myself, Shamal Kumar Bhoi, President of Jhargram Raj College Physics Alumni Association. Good afternoon to all. It is one of the memorable day for Jhargram Raj College Physics Alumni Association. As today we have completely done one of the biggest events organized by our association. More than 300 participants participate in this national level drawing competition, which is a huge successful in itself. On the behalf of the organization, I express my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Sandupan Mollik, convener of this competition, and Mr. Ajit Kumar Mahato, also joint convener of this event. I would like to thank all the participants who have made this closing ceremony successfully with their questions. With them. I would like to thank the organizing team, teacher, and students members. I would also like to thank Dr. Minal Kanti Hota. It could not have been possible without his support. Finally, I once again thank to all the committee members, alumni members, and all the participants. My best wishes to all the winners. Please support us in such way to our upcoming events. Thanks again for making this event a success. Thank you all.
Well, thank you, Samulda, for your closing remarks. Now, I finally want to thank every one of you for joining this live event, and for the viewers particularly who are actually are with us with different from different part of India, even from outside of India also. And I must say that this is our very first initiative for this live event, and very soon we will may have a few more events. So please subscribe our YouTube channel to get all the notifications. Also, please check our website jrsipa.org for future events. A very good thank you all again. And with these remarks, I want to stop this live event. See you again in some other day with some other